This is the moment people have been waiting for years, basically. And while Ethereum ETF might not pump Ethereum to $10,000, it might give it a small boost. Like, people have been waiting for that as well. Like, they wanted to hear something good, and finally we're hearing something amazing in that sense. Like, that is the crazy news to me, that nobody predicted the massive dump from basically Bitcoin's supply. But I think over the long run, Ethereum is really gonna join in the race, and it's gonna probably provide more people, probably provide more holders as well, which is a huge news for anyone interested in crypto. Absolutely insane. But let's talk about today what the most important factor is, and that is very simply Ethereum. In May, it's gonna happen. It's literally being talked like by BlackRock, being hinted by BlackRock, and I think this is the big factor that a lot of people are missing. If it wasn't important, who wouldn't talk about it? Like, BlackRock, of course, would, and that's the most important factor. Like, Ether application similar to Bitcoin ETFs anticipates approval on May 23rd, just at the halving. And again, the markets are right now not as predicted. We were predicting probably more, I would say, less volatile markets is a good way to put it. And I still think it's super early into the crypto markets overall. Like, I think it's still amazing potential of where we could be seeing. I don't think personally the Ethereum ETF will reach all-time highs until May. I think it's almost it's very improbable. It's almost impossible, just historically looking. But I do think it will slightly recover, because elections and the election year is usually a great indicator of prices going back up. So that's something you have to consider, that a lot of people are not talking about in that sense. So again, $4,000 for Ethereum, even that is gonna not be easy. It's problematic. Nobody said, making this type of money is simple, but it's a good step forward. And if that is it, that's great. Like, if that's what people want, that's what people want, right? And I'm pretty excited for that. But if you guys want more content like this, be sure to smash that like button, and I will keep you guys updated with more news. There has been ton of talk of the town of everything that's crypto related, so that is something I will keep you guys up to date. Be sure to smash that like button. Again, Ethereum ETFs, we have a huge release on May 23rd, most likely gonna be approved. So that's one factor you have to consider, one thing to look forward. Bitcoin definitely stumbled, and the ETFs, yeah, they might cause a big dip. I think it's going to be a different scenario than Bitcoin spot approvals, especially because Bitcoin ETFs open up a lot of trading overall. So that's what a lot of people don't realize. But yeah, I do like the idea, if you ask me. Be sure to smash that like button if you haven't already, and peace, everyone. This Bitcoin price flash, it doesn't scare me too much. Because when you look at the big factor, crypto is still up 25%. Now, what's happening, everyone? Hopefully, you're all having a fantastic day today. I sure am. There's been a lot of news, a lot of talk of the town in the crypto in the past few days. And if you're excited as me, be sure to smash that like button if you guys haven't already. There's been so much to discuss, so much to talk, and that is great news overall. I think everybody wanted to hear some positive, awesome news, and here we have it. So there is like a lot of speculation of where crypto will go and what it will do, and it's a very good question. Right now, look at this, like some of the tokens are down 8% in the last 24 hours. And this is a very normal market situation. Like right now, what we're seeing with FTX, it completely dropped after it was revealed it's not going to be an FTX 2.0 exchange. The token has no longer any use and may be liquidated in state to pay creditors. So again, like, seems like this dream is underway, and sometimes things don't go as predicted. And I'm predicting that the next Bitcoin halving, which is, it's probably not that far. It's only a few days left now, like 30 days, 60 days, 40 days. I'm predicting that it's actually not gonna overtake Bitcoin, in my honest opinion. I don't think it's gonna happen. And for that, nothing like bad exactly, but I don't think it's we're going to be needing some massive market changes to see something happen with Bitcoin to be so amazing that everybody wants to buy it. I think that's the big difference that a lot of people don't realize, is if we want to see something so huge, like something amazing in that sense, we have to change something at that point. But I will keep you guys updated. Right now, I think Ethereum, Bitcoin, all of the biggest cryptos will continue to dipping because all of the whales are taking profits right now. We saw about 25%, 26% growth, which obviously for normal person, if he has $1,000, he's not going to take $250 profit. But if you're a whale and you just bought half 10 million, that's 2.5 million that you can potentially pay for your yacht, or you can pay for your house, or you can pay for your mortgage, or invest in real estate. And that's why these whales, even those who have 100 million, who have a very large impact, they're going to be keeping the sell pressure, especially because now there's more liquidity. Imagine BlackRock, all of these big exchanges are now buying more crypto in that sense. And now they have made more liquidity available, because before it was a bit harder to sell Bitcoin in 100 to 100 million. Now it's much easier with these. So I will keep you guys updated on that. Be sure to smash that like button. And until next time, peace everyone. So hey everyone, we have a new Bitcoin update. Update for Bitcoin ETF Kentucky Derby as of January 31st, another net inflow of 200 million, total net inflow of 146 billion since launch. So it does seem like retail investors are buying. There's also a lot of them selling. Like Grayscale has been dumping like 500 million. But when you look at the big picture, a lot of these whales have actually been buying in that sense, which is absolutely amazing to see. We've been waiting for some good news for such a long time. And finally, it's here. The good news is here. And that's that the whales are in fact selling. They're buying. The whales are buying, and the retail investors are buying. Sadly, the whales are selling. As you can see, 14 days we saw about 500 million sold. This is why the big drop came in. But before that, we actually did see a huge pump. So it does seem like the people who are here for the long term, and this is just my theory, right, might keep buying, while the people in the short term here might end up selling. Now, that's just my honest opinion. I think this is the big satisfaction, like, for a lot of people. A lot of people wanted to hear some good news. And finally, we have the good news right here. So that is definitely incredible news, as people have been waiting for. Personally, what do I think about this one? I think it's absolutely amazing what we're seeing right now. Like, it's definitely good news so far, if you ask me. We've been waiting for that for quite some time, actually. We've been waiting for some good content. And here it is. The issue is it might take some more time to actually see the Bitcoin all-time high. We might not see it on the Bitcoin halving, but it's definitely a very good reason to like keep updated with the markets. I will keep you guys more in the news. Now, this is just a short announcement. I know there's not been that much happening in crypto, especially of the last few days. But they get kind of a break. Just, the most important stuff. And there's a lot to talk about more. Until next time, be sure to smash that like button. Peace, everyone. So Austin Hilton is picking these 5 cryptos, and I wanted to check why exactly. If you're enjoying this type of content, be sure to smash that like button. I have not been feeling well this week, so a like would definitely help me out. But hopefully you're all guys doing fantastic today. So let's check Austin Hilton's latest update.
Welcome back to the channel. Austin here. Real quick video for you. I was going to do this video and be showing you my desktop and showing you charts and everything, but I thought it would be very, very simple just to tell you some cryptos that I'm
So going immediately here, he picks this one.
going to add to my Polygon bag, and I've never owned Injective, and I like what they're doing, so I'm going to be buying some.
So the reason why I don't pick Injective personally and Polygon, yes, they're very popular, but there's so many blockchain tokens. You literally go around the street and there's a blockchain token for basically everyone. And I think that's a very problematic factor that a lot of people don't talk about. There's just too much option and there's not enough users. That's why personally avoiding blockchain protocols, even Caspa is really good. But in the end, does it really matter if not a lot of people care? No, like people have to start caring about these blockchain projects.
I already own some Solana, I already own some Avalanche, but I'm buying even more on a short-term, kind of midterm trade. Probably going to hold them for 40, 60 days or whatever it is, because my software, my trading indicator software, flashed that it's the perfect right time to buy them on the 12-hour trading view chart. So each candle's 12 hours. It said, hey, it's the time. So a buy signal was sent to my phone. So I bought some Solana and some Avalanche, bought about $3,000 each of those respectively.
So again, Solana and Avalanche, I think Solana has a lot of potential, but its peak is passed over. Now, Avalanche really has a user base problem. Again, as I said, I think that's another thing that people don't point out. Like, the user base is really, really important, especially with any type of crypto project. And if you don't have that, well, that's a big bummer, because if you don't have the big consistent user base, a lot of people will end up, well, forgetting about it. There's not going to be any awesome projects on the blockchain. The reason why people, release blockchains is to have other projects. If there's no projects in general, well, that's just bad news.
Avalanche, Bitcoin, those are off of my trading indicator. If you're interested in my trading indicator, link in the description below if you want to use it to kind of find yourself some of your own opportunities. You can do it. There's a discount code down there. It costs $1 a day for my software.
So yeah, guys, again, a lot of these blockchain picks, they're not personally my favorite, but I definitely respect Austin Hilton for this video. Think it has some potential overall. Like, a lot of the projects, they do have, the possibility to be the next big thing. Right now, a lot of people are just avoiding them completely. But if you guys want, I will keep you guys updated with more content like this. Be sure to smash that like button. And until next time, peace everyone.